Spaghetti, it's very important. Tell me how you're making your spaghetti.
I make it like this, then I mix it.
What are you mixing?
Smell that first pot of spaghetti.
Smells good, doesn't it?
It smells like this.
Smells like Can you smell that? What does it smell like? Is that what you're cooking? It smells so good?
Now I'm going to put it under.
No. Okay, that's fine. Don't spill it, okay? No, Anya. Put it back on the table. Is it cooked?
It's still raw.
It's still raw. You can't eat it?
Smell the first hot spaghetti. Smell it.
What do you smell? I don't smell it. What does it smell like? Anya, who's making spaghetti? Is that you or Daddy?
Me.
What are you making?
Spaghetti sauce forever.
Forever or for everyone?